Welcome to Genhair TV. My name is Jessie and this is my mom Rina. Due to the COVID-19, many of us are stuck at home and we have no opportunity to visit the hair salon. Genhair has developed a product into small sachets like this, so you can actually do your own herbal hair treatment and your herbal hair coloring by yourself at home. So today my mom is going to demonstrate to you how she do it, and that this have great benefits to you other than able to color your white roots. It can also have many benefits with the herbal ingredients inside to help you to boost your hair growth. Now let's start.